beautiful people, it's your girl Kerry, Kerry, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I focus on fashion, lifestyle, and travel. So if that is something you are interested in, don't hesitate, just go ahead and like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a post. Welcome back to my oldies but goodies. You already know you are the real MVPs around here. Today I have a nice, short, and spicy video for you guys. We're talking about this headband wig, okay? It is a wig. It's not my hair. It is a headband wig, and I'm trying on headband wig for the first time, and you're getting my full-on, no lies, because you already know we don't do capping over here. You're getting my full opinion on this wig. So without any more rambling, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So let's go ahead and get straight into this box that I have right here. Absolutely love the color, and we are matching. So I got this headband wig from Love Me Hair. I will link their Instagram account in the description box for you, and it's affordable luxury wig. Guys, you guys are gonna love this. Headband wigs, they're easy to put on. I've never worn one, so this is my first time. You guys are getting my unfiltered opinion on this wig and the hair, since I've never tried it before. Headband wigs are easy to put on. They call it the lazy girl wig. You don't need any skills to put this on. You don't need glue. There's no lace, no cutting, none of that stuff. Quick and easy. And it is the holidays. A lot of us, we are up and about and going every day. So having a headband wig would be great for the days when you don't feel like laying the lace. You can just quickly throw this on. So let's go ahead and get into what's in this box so that I can put this wig on and show you guys how I would style it. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like, and then this is it. Absolutely love the packaging. Before I show you the wig, they sent 5 extra headbands with this wig, and don't we love free stuff? You get 5 free headbands. This one, love the pearl detail on it. Absolutely love this one as well. Love the print. Again, polka dots, love. You get a white one, and then this one right here is perfect for the holiday season. It has all the glitter and glam. And then now for something else. Inside this little pouch is a silk scarf to tie your edges down, then extension to help with holding the wig in place on your head, hairpins, extra stuff to help hold the hair in place. Also got this lovely pin. Absolutely love it, and it says love me. I had it upside down. And then they also sent the brush, the little brush and comb for your edges, and finally tweezer. We won't be needing the tweezer because there's no lace, so we won't be needing that, but for this you can use it for your edges. So let's go ahead and get into the wig. It comes in this dust bag, and you open it, and it also have a net over it to help to protect the hair. So this is what the hair looks like. It is nice and shine, and this is a 24-inch deep wave. I wanted deep wave because I love wavy hair. It blends in more with my natural hair. So this is a 24-inch, so that's good length. On the inside are clips to help to stick in to your hair so that it holds. And this is the headband portion of the wig, and you can see that it's nicely sewn. You won't have any rough edges to bother your head. Also, when you put this on, if you notice, you can kind of see through it, so your hair will be nice and cool. And then it has the Velcro to hold it in the back. So this is the hair. I am going to prep the hair in terms of putting some products on it, and then I'm gonna whip it on real quick. And I already have my hair in a ponytail because I've been wearing my hair like this all week, so I'm tired of it and it's time to change up my look a little. So I already have my edges done. This is my water bottle. I just have like conditioner and water in this because it helps to keep the hair moist and soft. I also have mousse, and this is from the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. This is their curling mousse, and it says for dry and dehydrated hair. So I'm gonna use a little bit of that on it. And then I have my organ oil. I normally put organ oil on my wigs, and I got this from my local beauty supply store. I have my big comb, and then for my edges I use this Style Factor edge booster. So those are the products that I use in my hair. I use the same edge booster to put my hair in a ponytail. I'll also link an old video that I have showing you how I sleek back my 4C natural hair. But let's go ahead and get into prepping this wig for the sleigh, okay? So I went ahead and sprayed the hair down with the water and conditioner. And then I use my big tooth comb to just comb it through. You can see how the comb is gliding through it, and it is nice and soft. Love that. I also put some organ oil on it, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it onto my head now using the wig, the band and the clips to hold it down on my head. So as you can see, it's all done. The hair is nice and soft, and it catches me just right below the bust area. Ooh, the curls are juicy. I love it. And the length is good. You can see you can wear it with the black headband like this. I think I like it like that. But then I could also always go ahead and put on some of these. I will put them on and show you how they look. I'm gonna also style it differently so that you guys can see the different ways that you can style it. But Overall, the hair is amazing. No shedding at all. I absolutely love it. I think I am going to be wearing it a lot with this headband right here, especially now that it is the holiday season. All bling. Oh, this looks so good. Oh, this looks so good. So let me know in the comments if you've ever tried headband wig before. I'll also leave a direct link for this particular headband wig because the hair is really amazing and it's gonna last you for a long time. I know I'm gonna have this for a long time, and I just love the fact that it's so easy to put on and that the hair is nice and soft. I can wash it because it is human hair and it looks amazing. So that's my raw opinion on this. I love it. Easy to put on. You don't need to be a wig expert to try the headband wig. Okay? Again, I will link it in the description box for you. As you can see, I cannot keep my hands out my hair. I'm loving this hair, guys. Thank you guys so much for checking out today's video. I have not done a hair video in a very long time, but it's the holiday season, so I wanted to bring you guys something short, something easy that can help you to glam up for the holidays, something inexpensive, and something that you can also take outside of the holiday season, especially if you are a busy woman like myself. This headband wig is easy to install, as you would have seen watching the video. I will leave links for all the products that I use. I've also found a similar headband to this, and I will leave it in the description box for you. Please check out the description box for all the links that I use for every single video whenever I post. And if you are not following your girl over on Instagram, I would love to have you over there. So follow me at Cass_Styles. And if you are new here, welcome to the Styles crew. Please stay with us. We would love to have you guys around. If you've come this far, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a post. Also, share this video with your friends and family so they can come on and join the crew as well. Again, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in another video. Until then, be good. Mwah.